In this section, we will dive into some of the most common and useful text functions, and we will discuss find, search, and mid function. All these functions are powerful tools that allows us to locate specific text within larger strings and extract portions of text based on positions. So currently, in this worksheet, a phrase is written: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now suppose we want to find the position of the word quick, and for that we will use find function. So first select the cell and type find. Now the first argument is find text. So what are we looking for? We are looking for quick, and within the text displayed in cell A1. Close the parenthesis, enter. So we can locate quick at the fifth location, and we can verify it by counting it. THE for 3 and then 1 for space. So the fifth position is Q, where the quick is mentioned. Therefore, the find function is used to locate the position of a specific text within a larger text string. It is case sensitive, which means it distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase letters. Similar to the find function, we have another function which is search, and the only difference is that it is case insensitive, meaning it ignores the case of letters when searching for text. So again, what are we looking for? We are looking for quick, and this time we'll mention it in capital letters within text mentioned in cell A1. Close the parenthesis, enter. Now, talking about the mid function, the mid function extracts a specific number of characters from a text string starting at a specified position. So the first argument is the text, which is mentioned in cell A1. Then the start number. So for the second argument, let's give 5. And the number of characters, 5. So that's how any specific number of characters can be extracted from a text string.